we have in the Dialogflow? Yes. Why it is important, I will tell. Because there are many few things which I am going to conduct during rest of the tutorials, right? And it may come into the picture, like how these settings are coming into the play. So this is the last chatbot that we created in the previous video, right? And if you see over here the setting icon, I guess. So if you click over there, right, so it gives you details about the project, right? So that this is the GCP project. It has been created. Okay. You can enable beta feature or disable if you want to enable the logging and disable the logging. So if you disable the logging, so let's say you get a query how to mask the details or does not want to store the logs, then you have to disable the logs, right? So that thing you can do from here. Languages. So let's say right now the default language was English and you want to add, let's say Hindi, right, to the chatbot. So you can add from here. So that is there. Machine learning setting. So 0.03 is where it will try to. So what is 0.03 first of all? So that is 30%. So when I say, let's say I want to check my account balance and I have created an intent for account balance. And if I say, show me the balance of account or something like that, which is not appropriate phrase. And if the confidence of detecting an intent is less than zero point 0.3 or less than 30%, then it will trigger a fallback intent, default fallback intent. I will explain in the later chapters what is the fallback intent, but in nutshell, it is nothing but uh, to like a no match scenario. Like when you say something garbage and it says, sorry, I didn't get you, please say blah blah blah. You can also enable the spelling check. So let's say if you're typing or you're saying, and there may be a scenarios when you're typing, there is a spelling check, spelling mistake. By enabling this thing, you're allowing uh, Google or this Dialogflow NLP to auto spell correct. If you are using customized, more advanced customized bot, where your products are similar to English words, uh, I will recommend to not enable it because then your might entities might not get detected. Okay. Then again, there are pros and cons are there, but that's based on the experience. If you want to download the zip or if you want to upload from the zip, you can do from here. So environments right now we are using draft. You can create a published version and all those things. Then the speech, if you are using voice channel for this one, then you have what is that feasibility from here. You can control how the text to speech will be done. Share, you can share among many developers. So if you have, then you can add as a developer or reviewer. Okay. And advanced is again enable sentiment if you want to analyze the sentiment query. So let's enable that one also. So you can enable that one over here. Once you do that, click the save, and so the whatever the changes or the toggle bar that you have selected, it will be saved for your intent or the chatbot solution. Hopefully, this information was useful for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.